All right, we are back live now again. So, yes, voice test. Can you guys hear me clearly now? Everything, I hope so, going to be run fine. So, yeah, damn, something. Anything can be happen at any time. You cannot predict that one actually. So, okay, we're just back now. So, we were just going to be stick with the plan. So, M15 just like a minor support we're just having on the left hand side, and it just like which what I can see, it just like broke the support area right now. So just need to see how this candle actually just going to be closed. The 30-minute candle just about to be closed in within like 6 minutes. So I wanted to see how this candle just about to be closed, and I'm also having eye on the 50-minute time frame as well. So if I score some kind of support here with a strong bullish candle, so there's a probability I can give my trade a chance for the continuation to retest the high. But before that, I just need some kind of confirmations. Do you take any trade today? Yeah, I just took trade on my two accounts actually. Number one is I just took here as an impulse entry, as it just went in my favor like 20 pips. So I just secure almost like 50% position. Then on 30 pips, I just secure like my 70% position, and at like 60 pips almost, I just secure everything. Impulse entry. I also actually posted this on my Instagram. Yeah, what was a very beautiful trade. Look at this candle, just like clearly showing volume. I just never do like Asian session, to be honest. I just never do Asian session, but look at the way how just like showing the volume in it. This candle do not have a bottoming. The candle just do not have a bottoming. Then the next candle try to come down, again rejected and close with a small bearish candle. It's like a perfect impulse entry setup of over market fluidity university content actually. The candle just created a weak break above the high, executed stop loss was below this current candle, because if we just like breaking above the high, there is no business of this candle to come back and break its own low. If we just like come back and break its own low, it will be invalid. So I just like as a impulse entry, I knew that impulse entry always is like risky one. So how I can hold on with it, this impulse entry, if I just wanted it to continuously pushing upside, I should have to be close some position so I can make my trade actually on a I can sit on the trade with a free money actually. So by this you can build your confidence, you can hold on to your trade until you hit by your target. So yeah, it's like a beautiful trade, I would say. Looking like h4 will close with a long rejection wick and small bearish body. Okay, but still, if it's just like going to be closed with a small body, again if we just break below this area, I'm just like not comfortable with the sells. I would like to see some buys. If I just never find out any buys, I'm just not gonna execute. I'll be honest with you, I'm just not gonna execute. So fresh analysis actually just waiting for this candle to be closed. If this candle is just going to be closed somewhere here, I would like to see a 30-minute candle to give me some kind of confirmation so I can give my trade a chance there. That is the only thing I'm just like waiting for. So it's like a minor support which is having on 50-minute time frame. So need to see how the 30-minute just going to be react. So can I give my trade a chance? Sir, why Rajas are not trading leaderboard account? It's his wish actually. He will do whatever he just wanted to do. No one can tell anyone that what they should do actually. If they had start listening to other people, they will never reach to their goals where they are standing right now. So they just do whatever they wanted to do actually, and it's a freedom actually. And I like that. I actually like that one. So look at the way how it just like continuously pushing to the downside. Just need to remove this one. Now we're just having like a clean candles here. H4, and you know what? They're just like half hour left for the H4 closure as well. Wow, what a drop. Impulse entry. Small body candle, next candle create a wick, broke the low, fill the complete range. So now we are just standing right on the support on the left hand side from where market just like broke above those all consolidation area, give some kind of confirmation candle to continuously pushing to the upside. So now The next plan is that if I just like got some kind of strong bullish candle here, or as an impulse entry I just got some kind of impulse entry here, I'm just gonna give my trade a chance for the buys. Or if I just like do if it just start doing some kind of consolidation, and after the consolidation if it just break above the high or break the low, then I can give my trade a chance as a breakout structure. So this is something I would like to see on the chart now. So just need to wait. Raja made me very jealous yesterday because someone told Raja that I trouble the cash to bro a lot. Someone someone told the truth actually, Shari. You are actually asking some. Yeah, it's okay, it's okay, doesn't matter. Just keep going. I would say just keep going. Don't listen to anyone. You know, it's just like noises around you. These are just like noises. Just avoid these noises and focus on your goals. I grabbed 80 pips today with SRC. I took sell when M15 closed below support. Next candle make a weak break below low 15 minute. This one here you just like took a sell. Very nicely done. सर चले नमाज के लिए अजान हो रही। अच्छा जी, तो फिर आप यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं? आप क्यों नहीं जा रहे? आप तो जाए हैं पहले। यहाँ पे क्या लेने आए हैं? जाए पहले नमाज़ पढ़ें, अल्लाह से दुआ करें, अल्लाह ताला आपको अक्ल दे, शऊर दे, आपको दिमाग दे सोचने के लिए, और फिर आप जो सा ना अपनी ज़िंदगी बदलें. Alright, so the 50 minute is like closed and 30 minute also closed. But look at this one. Is this candle just closed below the support area? Is it? I don't think so. I'm just like gonna take this 30 minute support actually. I'm interested in this one. This one. It's a wick. I knew that it's a wick like we are having. But yeah. So look at this one. This candle just closed within the range. If there's just like a lot of volume, this candle should have to be continuously pushing to the downside, broke the support, and should have to be close below the support area. So still we are having like a some kind of chances to get a bullish candle for to continuation pushing to the upside. It's a bounce 1, bounce 2, bounce 3. This is something very dangerous right now. Yes, it's bounce 1, bounce 2, and bounce 3. So what is the probability the next fourth bounce will continuously pushing to the upside? We'll see. Okay, I don't took any trade today because it's Friday and I don't want to lose my weekly profit. It's good or not? Yeah, if you just like satisfied with this decision, then just like stick with it. Can you please repeat why you decided by bias? Because we're just having like a support here on the left hand side, so I just wanted to take a bias. Look at this one. Even we just like having a CPI numbers. The numbers are like good, so gold should be. Everyone just expected that gold could be fall down, but it should just like could not continuously pushing to the downside and continuously pushing to the upside against the actually news data. So it's mean that gold is just like in a very strong bullish momentum. So I just do not want it to lose anything on Friday as well. So I just like need to stick with my bias. Doesn't matter if I just like gonna miss the move, but I just like stick with the bias, and my bias is bullish right now. So if I just like go some kind of confirmation candle on 35.40, so we'll see if I can give my trade a chance. Okay, looking like H4 will close. Okay, Mindika buys here. Mindika. Okay, Mindika is just gonna buy here. Hmm. How much profit you made this week? I think so on this small account. How much I just made this week? Took like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. Just made like $151. Yeah, yeah. With just like a small lot size. Look at this one: 0.15, 1, 0.5, 0.15, 0.15, 0.1. Yeah. Hmm. This is loss I just took during the Raja Pro live stream, giving our trade second chance. Okay, so just waiting right now. Just waiting right now. Now waiting for M30 to close bullish, right sir? Yeah, this is something I'm just looking for. And if I just wanted to take a sell, then still I wanted to see some structure there, but I'm just not till right now. I'm just not interested in sells because it's just like already moved a lot. As you can see, this one move more than 120 pips. So we'll see. If it's just like continuously pushing to a downside, then would be better to wait for some kind of retracement, create some kind of resistance, and then if it's just like broke give you some kind of confirmation candle for the sells, you can go with that one. But still right now my by hours are valid actually, so I'm just waiting, just waiting. So I'm just having like 12 likes on YouTube. Wow. Okay, so sir, what about your funded account? Your funded account just like right now standing in drawdown. I just like took losses during the CPI. CPI was just like very junk, so I just like go with the higher load sizes, just try to pass that account. But whatever it is, whatever it is, so we'll see if I can recover that loss or should I start a new one. We'll see. these days these days there's just like a lot of opportunity on the chart, and you if you are just having like a real funds with you, why not to make money? Why to miss these chances? And if you just like do not have funds with you, so this is the best time to get funded. This is these are two opportunities right now we are having. With the gold is just like in a very strong bullish momentum, and after you can see that market just like continuously pushing upside, and right after like 1 week I think so we're just going to be hit by FOMC, and they're just expecting to lower the number. If they're just going to be lower the number like decreasing the interest rate, so higher probability is going to be hit with the inflation factor, so gold will continuously pushing to the upside. So just like secure your money, just like I would say buy the rumors. Everyone just like thinking the same one. I would say until the FOMC come to the market, just set your bias for the buys, and once the FOMC just settle down, then just change your bias. Till till now for the next week I will try to stick with the buys actually only. So we'll see if this thing going to be work out or not. Okay. Yeah, so by there's a high probability for price to go down. It is whatever it is. Market have to move somewhere. It's like open 24 hours. It should have to be go upside. It should have to be go downside. But we just need to understand where we should need to find out our chunks. That's it. Just make a plan and then just stick with it. Don't go for the market. Let the market come to you. Just like a simple rule you have to be stick with. Don't go for the market. Let the market come to you. Let it print it something on the chart what actually you wanted to see on the chart. Sir, if the price candle break and close below the support, can we sell? And if we can, why? Because price had moved nearly 100 pips. Yeah, it's just like doesn't make sense to take a sell here, bro. Just like already move a lot. Less probability, I would say. How you manage itne sare account? It's a psychology I built actually. It just took me like 4.5 years to run my psychology actually in this way. So yeah, just running like different accounts. Okay, use buy and sell stop during CPI. Now, actually, news actually not allowed on a funded account. I just like try to take trade. Let me just show you where I just like try to take trade. I just took trade here. First trade was here. As this candle just rejected with a long rejection and close with a small. I was expecting the next candle create a week and break the low, and then it will continuously pushing to the downside. It's like a 80 pip range, so I was just like planning to grab some 40-50 pips out of it, going with 5 loads. Stop loss was within middle of the range with a 1-to-1 ratio. I would say like 40 pips stop loss, 40 to 50 pip target, something like that. Didn't work out. Then I just saw that this candle just like again I was actually wanted to go with the cells actually. Still sticking with my bias. And then the second trade I have just took there, where I just took that second trade. Let me just find it out. It was on 15-minute time frame if I remember. Yeah, it was like buys here when it just like broke above this whole rejection. Look at this one. This was the support, this was the support, and then with the volume it just breaking above the resistance area. It's clearly showing volume in it. M30, H1, H4, all time frame was just like showing for the Wickfield structure. Again gave my trade second chance, again took the loss, so I just closed the chart then. So it is whatever. CPA was just like very messy. It was like very messy. All right. Just waiting right now. Look at the size of the candles. It's just like small size getting bigger. See this one? If you just wanted to take a buy, the same thing should be happen to the downside. Smaller, and then strong bullish. This is something I'm just looking for. So we'll see. Is there a good sell below 36.39? 36.39? No, just like already moved a lot, buddy. If you just wanted to go for the sells, wait for the candle to create some kind of support, and then if the candle broke the support, then you can go for the sells. So yeah, right now I'm just like not interested in sells. I just can't go for the buys until I just got some confirmation. I have my plan, I have some bias, but for execution I would like to see some confirmation so I can react on that one. This is something is like very important to understand. You have your plan, but for your plan, for the execution of your plan, still you just need some structure there. Yes, so just need to wait. Just need to wait actually. Resistance at 36, 33 for at 4 hour support. Just looking at this one. Amazing analysis, Kessa. Thank you so much. So just waiting. I think so. This NY session just like making me bored, and you also guys getting bored right now because we just need to wait for some structure to form to give our trade a chance actually. I would like to see this candle to close with a small body and within the range, and if the next candle create a we can break above the high, so I can give my trade a chance. So there's just like 15 minutes left for the H4 candle to close, and you know what, this is something you just need to understand. One more thing here, very very important I would say. You know what happened, most of the candles just having like a wicks to the upside or downside. Let me just create some structure. Okay, so if you just like look at any candle, they mostly having wick somehow like this to the upside and to the downside on a 30-minute, on a 15-minute, on a 5 minutes, whatever just that's like looking for. So whenever the candle is about to be closed, suppose that is like continuously pushing upside and it's about to be closed, there's a probability it will go upside and then it will just leave a wick. And if there's just like few minutes left for the H4 candle, it's like a bigger candle, and suppose that it's just like continuously pushing to the downside, so we just need to understand it also going to be leave a wick. So this wick could be a 30-minute complete candle, could be a 15-minute complete candle, because the candle is just like 4 hour you are just like looking at. So I just try to avoid trading whenever they're just like few minutes left for the H4 candle to close, I mostly like wait for the candle to close, and then with the next candle of H4 with a smaller time frame confirmation, I could give my trade a chance. I hope so this makes sense and you guys like understand this concept. Secure 70 pips with sells done for the day. Bye bye. David, you killed it. Very nicely done. By what are the scenarios where impulse entries fail? Impulse entry actually mostly will fail when there's just like less volume in the market, because impulse entry is directly connected with the volume. If there's just like a less volume, there's a less probability impulse entry will going to be work out for yourself. Took same sell trade, initial SL was within the range, then move SL to M15 week. After M15 week bearish close, did I do right moving SL to the week? If you just like continuously managing the risk, you just done the great job actually. So yeah, H4 closing with a long rejection week, don't you think it should go down? We'll see. The small time frame will give us the confirmation what could be happen on the higher time frame. It's like a simple thing to understand. The smaller time frame will give us the confirmation what could be happen on a higher time frame. Is pre-London 9:10 a.m. in UAE? Pre-London I UAE 10 9 a.m. It could be like 9 a.m. I think so. Yeah, pre-London start 9 a.m. in UAE. But the most easy way you can do like by going at babypips.com, and here you can select, yeah, here you just like click on tools. Here you will get like forex market hours. Here you just need to select like Dubai, and here you got some session time. So London open 11 a.m. UAE, so it could be 9 a.m. will be pre-London time, and 4 p.m. it's like a opening of NY, and 2 p.m. will be a pre-NY time in Dubai. So you can choose any country here and can understand the volume time and the opening of market time actually. It's like a very basic thing. Okay, but next candle wicked up and broke its own low, then retraced and stopped me out. I just cannot like Anam, I just cannot like understand by the way you were just like explaining until I just saw chart actually. So you can send me chart on my Instagram actually, if you just wanted to some dictation for once or twice, or if you just wanted to continuously like need editing on your charts or want me to dictate that one, so you can join Market Fluidity University actually and can send me charts in trade reviews actually. So yeah, this is how we just like work out. If you're trading with two funded account challenge, how do you manage? uh, why people just continuously asking the same question? Just open one account and trade on that account, that's it. If you just like asking about like a copy trading, I never ever use like copy. I don't even know how copy trading works actually. I'm just comfortable with this one. You know what is the strategy for running like a different account? If I just like make some money on one account, I just like leave that account, and then I will just flip on another account. If I just like lose 1 to 2% on one account, I will just leave that account, will flip on another account. This is something I just like to work for my psychology, with my psychology actually. Okay. Today actually my bank account got freeze due to some disputed amount deposited into my account. I just like sell some dollar to the person on P2P, I think so. Then Pakistan is just like full with the scammers. Just can't do anything about it. So my account just got freeze. I just like recently get into my bank and just tell them the details that, but they can't do anything about it. They can't help me out. It is whatever it is. I just need to wait now. Need to wait. Just need to like show them proof of the transaction, and it will take like 6 to 7 months, I think so, because it's like a Pakistan. So rules are not running well here. So M15 just like rejecting now. Look at this one. Look at the rejection on 30 minute. I would like to wait for this candle to be closed. It's like 10 minutes left for the H4 candle to close, and there's just like 10 minutes left for this M15 candle to close. If this 15-minute candle is just going to be closed above the previous candle high, and if the 30-minute candle is just going to close in a bullish form, so I can give my trade a chance. I think so. I can give my trade a chance. This makes sense. This makes sense. What if it's just like leave me alone and continuously pushing upside? Then I just can't do anything. There's just like few minutes left for the closure of H4, few minutes left for the closure of M30, M15. So I cannot execute here. Even if it's just like showing me some opportunity, I just cannot do that thing. It's like against my rules. It could be like a risky one. I wanted to see this candle should have to be in a 15 minute. It should be closed somehow like this, so I can give my trade a chance if the next candle breaking above the high. But I think so it just never let me to execute. And on 30 minute, I would like to see a candle should have to be closed with a small bearish candle, then the next candle create a weekend break above the high. That makes sense. Or if this candle is just going to be closed with a strong bullish candle, the next candle create a weekend break above the high, so I can give my trade a chance. This is something I can do. So just need to wait. Just like 10 minutes left for the candle to close. 6 7 months, yeah, same as it could be like 6 7 months. It already happened with me actually, and I my like some lakhs, I would say, is just like already froze in my account. It is whatever it is. We just can't do anything about it. They were just never the Pakistani, and I just don't want to say anything about them. They are whatever they are, and that's why they just like getting the same results. They always just try to find out like shortcuts in their life, try to scam the people, try to flip their life in one night, but they just ended their life into the jail, or might be they always in a broken condition. Oh my god, but you got your money back to no, it I just cannot like use those money. It will be froze. It just like froze there. And it happened last day with me. Today I was just like went to my bank and just discussed with them. They just do not have any kind of policy against that one. We just cannot take action about the scammers actually as well, because crypto is right now illegal in Pakistan, so we just cannot do anything. Cannot do anything. It is whatever it is. Even we just like do not have any kind of black money. We just do not have any kind of like a I would say any we are just not involved in any kind of money laundering, but still we just like trap in it due to I would say lack of policies. Wow, just like breaking above the high. Can I give my trade a chance here? Damn, I just don't know why I'm just getting feeling that we're just gonna miss this one. But I have to stick with the rules. I have to stick with the rules, so just waiting for this candle to be closed. I would like to wait for this candle to be closed. If I just miss this move, I can't do anything, bro. I just can't do anything. क्रिप्टो लीगल होने वाली है पाकिस्तान में, यार कुछ भी नहीं होना, ये सब बकवास करते हैं, ये सिर्फ ऐसे बातें ही हैं. इन्होंने ऐसे कहते कहते भी देखना साल गुजार देना. It's same happen in India also. Yeah, it's mostly happening in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, the third world countries, I would say. These thing happening there because no one just catching them. They're just like what should I say? It's a live stream. Just leave it. Come back to on the charts actually. On which platform you sold USDT? Yeah, Binance. Forex is illegal in India. No, Forex is just like not illegal in anywhere in any country actually. But they just like will tell you that do use their own brokerage houses like which they're just having in India. But if you just like try to use their brokerage houses, they will just having like a wider spreads, very heavily I would say latency in it. So yeah, so let me see what is the stop loss. Makes sense. Okay, so there's just like 6 minutes left. 6 minutes left for the candle to close. Just like 6 minutes left for the candle to close. Look at this one, just like continuously pushing upside. Just 6 minutes left for the candle to close. Is it the same thing what I'm just like waiting for? So I can give my trade a chance if the candle create a weak break above high. But depending on the volume, I'm expecting it could continuously pushing upside. So there's just like 6 minutes left for the candle to close, so I just need to wait. Legal is legal in India and legal is illegal. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Okay. You know what, how they're just like scamming with the people. They just like get verified. They are having like a verified merchant with them. And what they are doing, they just like buying someone identity, I would say. Identity means they are just buying someone identity who are just like poor. They just pay some money to them and they just buy their identity and make accounts with their identity, use their identity to open bank account, something like that. Even they just do like KYC with that one. So even they're just having like a 99% completion rate. The reviews were better, having like a fake reviews. Everything was just like planted there. You cannot like secure yourself from it. But how you will just like understand that you just like become a part of a scam once you just like got email or you just like got your account freeze, and then you will understand what happened. You just like got scammed. Now you just need to wait. It will take time. Could be like 6 months, could be like 1 year, could be like 2 years. Anything can be happen. Everything is buzzword. So there's just like 4 minutes left for this 30-minute candle to close, and look at the way how it is just like printing right now. Look at the way. Okay, why don't you move your account to UAE? Yeah, this is the thing I'm just planning. Yeah, UAE just like having a proper regulated with the crypto, so you can directly deposit into your bank accounts. Look at this one, it's just like continuously pushing upside and almost like fill half of the range on the left hand side. And there's just like still 3 minutes left for the candle to close. Damn, what could I do? What could I do? But someone who just wanted to take a sell here, you guys can understand what can be happen if you just try to take sell here. So don't take sells. Wow, just like continuously pushing upside in the last 5 minutes. It is whatever it is, just like fill half of the range on the left hand side. Now it's just like become risky one. We are having like a lot of rejection as well. So still I just wanted to give my trade a chance with my plan. 2 minutes still there. There's just like 2 minutes still left there for the closure of candle. Okay, I think it is gonna move without us. Yeah, this is the same feeling I'm just getting. Like, look at this one. It's just like already fill half of the range on the left hand side. What I just wanted to see, I just would like to see a candle should have to be rejected and close at least like somewhere here. But it's just like move more than that. So we'll see. I just need to take a decision here. Should I go as an impulse entry, like a dynamic risk? That makes sense. Or, yeah, this is something I can do. With the dynamic risk, I think so. I just need to go with the low load size. So, just waiting right now. There's just like still 1 minute left for the candle to close, and now I just wanted to see this candle to be closed. Would you consider this movement as a downtrend and a retest of the low? It's like not a trend, downtrend. It's just like doing some kind of, I would say, like created a support, created a resistance. Now it's just again creating a support here. So with the volume, if the next candle create a weak and break above its high, it could continuously pushing upside. And in this situation, I think so stop loss could be like 30 pips below this current candle body low. That only makes sense. Hmm. It's just like already fill half of the range. Now it's just like become risky one, the later one, because already fill half of the range. So I just need to lower the load size. It's Friday. I just do not want it to lose money. What about next candle low? If the next candle creator we can break and close below the support area, then sell makes sense. I mean, without looking at this current candle, I am just not like understanding your concept, Pedro. What you just like talking about? Okay, okay, okay. We just like the 30, 50 minutes just showing volume in it, 30 minutes just retracing. So as it will be just like break its own opening price. So I just like going to be execute on this one. All right, here we go. Stop loss could be somewhere here. TP, this makes sense, but I would like to secure some position here. Let's wait and watch now if it's just like gonna work. I think so. I just do one mistake here. I executed in the first 1 to 2 minute, but as I just like already had a plan to go as a dynamic risk, so that's why I just like didn't wait for the first 1 to 2 minute to create a weekend break above the high. I think so that is a mistake I have just done here. Should have to wait for first 1 to 2 minute candle. Yeah, let me just see this one. So see this one. Interesting. I would like to see this candle to create a weekend. If it's just like going to break above its own high, then it will continuously pushing upside. Yeah, could be risky at this moment because executed in the first 1 to 2 minute. Hmm. Just like making me uncomfortable, to be honest. Come on, you should not be react like this. Look at this one, it just like broke the previous 5 minute low as well. Hmm. Come on, what the hell you are just doing right now? This is the mistake I have just done, executed in the first 1 to 2 minute, and I think so I just need to pay for it. Very high probability. Okay, H4 just closed somehow like this. H1, H1 coming down, M30, M15. It's just like flipping upside. Yes, it's good. It's good. It's actually good. Should have to be break its own high to continuously pushing upside. This is something I'm expecting from it. But you know what? Now if it just like come back and break its own low, I should need to take decision there. As it's just like rejecting right now, I would like to see this candle should have to be continuously pushing upside. Now the stop loss should be below this candle. That's it. Now there is no business of this current candle to come back and break its own low. If it just like come back and break its own low, trade will become invalid. Look at this one, just like again fighting with this situation right now. So depending on the volume, I would like to see to continuously pushing upside. Come on. Okay, beautiful. 15, 16, 17 pips, whatever you're just having right now. It's Friday. So let's just like secure some position here. 0.08, 20 pips, secure some position, bringing stop loss at break even. Alright, that's great. Worked out perfectly. Use the lower lot size. Now expecting volume to continuously pushing upside to hit my TP. If it just like never went in my favor, come back to hit my break even. I'm just not gonna lose anything. It's a Friday. Always keep this factor in your mind. Wow, what a push. What a push. 29, 30 pips. Very nicely. And as we're just having like rejection on the left hand side, I'm just like gonna take this 30 pips actually. Okay, this 27. That's it. That's it. I have just done with my day. Don't look at the load size. Don't look at the way how it's just like small money. If you even execute it with the 100 load, it will react in the same way. We are just like continuously having winning streaks here. Almost continuously the whole week we are having like winning streaks. So yeah, what a beautiful concept. Plan to execute as an impulse entry. But you know what? It just make me scared. What make me scared? The thing actually when I just like executed in the first 1 to 2 minutes, that was like become a risky one because mostly what I do, I just like never execute it in the first 1 to 2 minutes. I just never execute in the first 1 to 2 minutes. Let the candle to break the high, and then if it just like break the low, continuously creating a wick. Then if it's just like going to break above the high, then that execution make more sense. So it's like such a beautiful concept. Like see this one, we are already had a plan with us. We wait for our structure to be formed, execute it with only our plans, never go for the cells, set one bias, and once everything just printed as our eyes wanted to see, we just execute, made some money, and now we just need to close the chart. That's it. That's all we can do. That's all we should do actually on a daily basis. Okay, I mean without looking at it, okay, three of three trades take with you this week all won. Wow, really appreciate it. Code 30 pips enough on Friday. Yeah, exactly, 30 pips just like more than enough on a Friday. Even on a small account, what I just made like $50. I can like eat dinner in some like good place in Pakistan. Anywhere in Pakistan I would say. So I just like got my dinner. So why not to end this week? Just done with the week. Yeah. And why just like close everything here? Look at this one. I think so. Just like not sure. I just close my position here at 30 pips, but at where there are the rejection on the left hand side. But it's just like showing me average profit. I think so. Yeah, it shows like a average profit. Yeah, nice. Have a nice weekend, bro. Yeah, you too, bro. Have fun. So YouTube, still you guys just gave me like 28 likes only. Wow. Okay. You stick on your bias and played out. Yeah, perfectly. Made a plan, stick with it. If it just never happened, not gonna execute. If it just happened, why not to jump in? If it just like comes scary, like everything just on the chart, what you're just like waiting for, still you are getting scared. Load the load size and be a part of your plan. This will build your confidence. Is it easy to understand? Okay, 50 pips on sell, 40 pips on buy. Wow. Osama just killing it. Can you send the YouTube link so we can give you a like? Okay, thanks, sir. Thank you so much. Really, really appreciate it. You deserve it. So here, Zeman just like send you my YouTube like actually, link actually. So should we just like now end the stream? It's been like more than 1 hour. We just like continuously doing the stream. Even they just like hurdles come in our like in our journey. My system got freeze, but then we just like come back again, started the things again, made plan again, stick with the plan, wait for the structure to form, wait for the H4 candle to close. So if you just like look at this stream, you will get a lot of knowledge in it. So higher probability, higher chances is still if you just like never gonna work out. I was just like ready to manage my risk as it this kind of just breaking above its own high, and then if you just like broke the low, I am just gonna close everything. And if you just like going to break this body of the previous 30-minute candle, this is where I'm going to close everything because it should not be broke the body of the previous 30-minute time frame. H4 close in a bullish form. Now it's just like continuously pushing upside. Might be it will continuously pushing upside to fill this range, but it's Friday, and on a Friday if you just grab like 30 pips, just like be happy with it. Put ads on YouTube. I will see. Pedlio, you know what? I don't even earn money from the YouTube. It's just like $1, $1.2. So it's like actually started for the people who just like cannot afford even like $138 so they can get education. So they will understand we are just like not posting editing editor like a chart with just like having a editing picture in there. So we're just doing live. So if they just like going to be use their common sense, they will understand if everything just happening here live and we're just like continuously making money here, so things just worked out in our way actually. Our education just having like a higher probability. So the simple thing, this is the main difference between us and the other traders. Like we just never try to predict the market, we accept that we are a retail trader. We just like take action on the confirmations. For confirmation, we just like wait for the candle to give us some confirmation. We just wait for the volume to be there. We just wait for some kind of clean traffic, tradable range, everything just like align with each other. So we just gonna give our trade a chance. That's it. Sell took on my own. Entered buy trade with you, sir. Thank you so much. Welcome, welcome. I learned a lot from your live stream. Really appreciate it. Just keep going. Sir, please stay for some more time. Now I just like, no, bro, I just have to move now. I just have to do some other works with my family, having some plan with my daughters. So just need to shut down the stream. Love your education. Really appreciate it. Sell 30 pips, secure 70 pips. Why? Sell 30 pips. It's okay. We just never like believe on a risk to reward ratio. It's just like a subjective for us. We just like win. It's like very important to win. Doesn't matter if you just like getting 15 pips or 20 pips. Like let just understand. Whenever you, how many times you're just going to be get like 100 pips or a 60 pips. It's just like a very less it's going to be happen in a day trading, I would say. But you if you just like having a plan to grab 15 20 pips, so if you just like look at the end of the week, you will just like make more than 100 pips. Let me just look at this one. Let me just look at this one. Okay, this week how much we just made here? We just made like $170. So if we just like counted the pips here by grabbing 20 pips, 15 pips, 70 pips, all right. So look at this one. It's like what the Lord says, 15, 20, 30, and 30, and it's like a bigger load. It's just like having higher confirmation. 30 and 15, 40, 45, 45, 65, 65, 85, 107, and negative. So I just like make 100 pips in 1 week by using low load size, waiting for my structure to be formed. Just grab like 100 pips, and if you just like look at this one, look at this where you will just going to be get like 100 pips in one go. Look at this one. Is it market moves continuously in one direction? For that you just need to execute from the top or from the bottom actually to get like 100 pips. If you just like waiting for the higher probability setup, waiting for some confirmation candle, you're just not gonna get like a 100 pips here easily. So just try to understand this thing. You can, I would say, what is the example we're just having, like you can make your river by grabbing drop by drop. This is something example we're just having. So just believe the process, keep pushing and keep pushing. Okay, I'm just like tired now. So thank you so much everyone to having me, and really appreciate you guys like attend my live stream. I will see you guys on Tuesday now. Till that, be safe, be careful. It's a Friday. If you just like win this trade, just close the chart. Don't be get greedy. So Friday can ruin your whole week profit. So just relax, chill, spend your time with your family, with your friends, whatever you're just having for the weekend, like a plan for the weekend. Just go with that now. Just close the chart. So be safe, be careful. We'll see you guys soon. Till that, take care and bye bye.